How to stop sharing messages between iPhone and iPad or Mac. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop your iMessages from syncing between your iPhone and other Apple devices like an iPad or Mac. So now without further ado, let's get started. So by default, iCloud syncs your iMessages across all Apple devices signed in with the same Apple ID. This means if you get a text on your iPhone, it will also show up on your iPad or Mac. While that's convenient, it can be a privacy issue if you share those other devices. So to stop it, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone, and once you have opened it, just tap on your name at the very top to go into your Apple ID settings. Now next here, simply tap on iCloud and scroll down and tap See All, which you can see beside the Saving is Paused option. And here simply scroll down and tap on Messages in iCloud. And here, as you can see, I haven't synced my messages on the next devices where my Apple ID is connected, but if the sync is turned on, you can simply cancel syncing or toggle off the sync this iPhone option, and this will stop iMessages from syncing with iCloud and other devices. And your iPhone will now download and store all messages data locally and won't share it with your iPad or Mac, even if they are using the same Apple ID. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.